Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2020. It's the final match in round 1 and the scores are Campion College on 34, Holmwood Technical on 7. Campion gained 2 points for the questions. In Einstein's mass energy equation, what does C represent? The judges will accept speed of light in a vacuum. They also gained a point for what is the name of the inner part of the kidney, which is pale red in color. And the judges will accept medulla. And Holmwood lost a point for the question, what is the name of the 2014 film starring Angelina Jolie, ruler of the Forest Kingdom, whose heart became hardened after betrayal? The answer came after the bell, though it was incorrect. And so we get into our buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer, wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time to get up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and some fast answers, which could put you 1 step closer to winning the championship. So let's have 4 minutes on the clock. The first question is from Bible knowledge. Which of Israel's judges was said to be a Gileadite and a mighty warrior? Jephthah. Biology. What is the name of the medical condition that causes people to absorb too much iron from their diet? Hemochromatosis. Spell, this is English language, spell the word succinct, which means Campion College.
SUCCINCT.
Correct. International affairs, a visual one. Look at the screen, identify this person. Campion College. Correct. Chemistry. What is the name of the phenomenon responsible for maintaining the upward movement of water through a vessel? Campion College.
Capillary action. Capillary action.
Correct. Music. Listen to this clip, identify the group. Crisscross. General knowledge. Spider, squirrel, proboscis, and rhesus are species of which animal? Monkey. Spanish. Translate to English. Esta pluma no escribe.
This pen does not write.
Campion College.
This pen does not write. This pen does not write.
Correct. Geography. What is a bowl-shaped depression carved by an alpine glacier on the side of a mountain called? Cirque. Theatre and cinema. Look at the screen. Identify this person. Oscar Nunez. Information technology. What provides a necessary connection between the CPU and the storage RAM? Bus interface. And history. What is the last name of the person who formed the National Fascist Party? And that would be Campion College.
Mussolini.
Correct. Mathematics. Factorize 16x squared minus 25. Campion College.
4x minus 5, 4x plus 5.
Correct. Physics. The formula F equals kx represents Hooke's law.
Spring constant.
Campion College.
Spring constant.
Spring constant.
Yes. What does the K stand for? Sports. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please. George Foreman. Jamaican heritage. Complete the Jamaican proverb. What drop off ahead? Campion.
Drop on shoulder. Drop on shoulder.
Correct. And French. Mario knew. What is my proposal? Let's get married. Literature. What is the name for a person or thing in a story that is in conflict with the protagonist? Campion.
Foil.
No antagonist. Art. Which Jamaican sculptor created the work, or sculptor created the work Wonderful World? Malika Capo Reynolds. Bible knowledge. Who took the timbrel and led the women of Israel in celebration? Campion.
Miriam. Miriam.
Correct. Biology. What is the name of the perception of noise or ringing in the airs? Campion.
Tinnitus.
Tinnitus.
Would that be correct? Tinnitus or tinnitus. English language, convert the sentence to the... That sounds like the final bell. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of our match. The scores are Campion College on 50, Holmwood Technical on 7. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.